Welcome back to the Learning Studio. This is our mathematics series where we explore the powerful concepts that fuel science, technology, and the future of artificial intelligence. If you're new here, don't forget to follow us by clicking the link below, and you'll also find the full playlist in the description so you can catch up on all the previous episodes. In today's lecture, we're stepping into the fascinating world of probability theory. This is the mathematics of uncertainty, the study of chance, randomness, and prediction. From rolling dice to predicting stock markets, from weather forecasting to machine learning, probability is everywhere. Let me tell you a quick story. In the 17th century, two French mathematicians, Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat, exchanged letters about gambling problems. Yes, gambling. They were trying to figure out the fairest way to split bets in interrupted games. What started as a question about dice and cards turned into a new branch of mathematics, probability theory. And today, the same mathematics that once helped gamblers now helps us design AI, decode genetic information, and even explore the universe. Here are the essentials you need to understand. Random variables. Imagine flipping a coin. The outcome, heads or tails, is uncertain, but we can describe it with a variable. A random variable is simply a way of assigning numbers to uncertain events. Distributions. Not all outcomes are equally likely. A distribution tells us the probabilities of different results. For example, the famous bell curve, or normal distribution, describes things like human heights, test scores, and even measurement errors. Conditional probability. This is where things get really interesting. Conditional probability answers the question, given that one event has happened, what's the probability another event will happen? For instance, what's the probability that it rains today, given that the sky is cloudy? In AI, conditional probability is the foundation of algorithms that make predictions, from spam filters to medical diagnosis systems. Why probability matters in AI and real life. Probability isn't just theoretical, it's practical power. Every time your email filters spam, it's using probabilities. Every time Netflix recommends a show, it's predicting based on probability. Self-driving cars calculate the probability of obstacles, pedestrians, and safe driving paths in real time. In short, probability helps us make sense of uncertainty, and in a world full of unpredictability, that's priceless. So next time you wonder about chance, risk, or predictions, remember, probability theory is the invisible hand at work. And in our next episode, we'll take this one step further with statistics. If probability is about modeling uncertainty, statistics is about using real-world data to draw conclusions. We'll talk about estimation, hypothesis testing, regression, and even Bayesian inference, all tools that power research, business, and machine learning. Make sure to follow us by clicking the link below, and don't forget to check out the full playlist in the description. We're just getting started on this exciting journey through the mathematics that shapes our world.